Hello, if you're looking for a perfect apron for baking, cleaning, or serving that provides a great coverage and protection, then you'll definitely want to hear about this canvas apron. I will share my thoughts with you, and hopefully in the end you'll decide if this is a good fit for you. So what I love about this apron, it's made from high quality canvas cotton. This apron is breathable, lightweight, and built to last. It also has waterproof coating, ensures you stay clean and dry during any task. I also love this green color and its modern and stylish design. It makes this apron suitable for both professional kitchens and home use. I also love these practical pockets in the front. It provides easy access to your kitchen tools, your recipe, or even your phone, and you can keep everything you need within reach. It has adjustable neck straps. An apron is designed to fit all sizes comfortably. This apron is a great gift option for men or women who love to cook or work in creative environment. It could be ideal for cooking, baking, grilling, gardening, or even crafting. It's perfect addition to any workspace when messes happen. This apron size is adjustable to fit most adults. As you can see, I'm 5'7" and it fits me perfectly. Overall, it's a great waterproof apron, and if you're looking for protection from kitchen grease, spills, or some food stains, then I highly recommend to check out this canvas apron. That may be a good fit for you. Thanks for watching!